Well, it is a pretty evening across the First Coast. The sun is starting to sink in the sky, and we have a good bit of blue out there. The sun has been intense today. It was a hot day. If you're about to step out the door for Sunday evening plans, most of us are still sitting in the 90s, but with the humidity, it feels closer to 100 degrees outside right now at 6:44 p.m. Now, on our radar, we are dry, but that could change overnight tonight. I am watching these thunderstorms here, and they continue to pop severe thunderstorm warnings on these storms as well. You can see those right there near the border of Alabama and Georgia, but they are diving to the southeast, and they could bring us rain, thunderstorm activity, and perhaps the risk of a severe thunderstorm or two. So places like Waycross, you are right on that line between the slight and marginal risk of severe weather. So the Storm Prediction Center has a grid here where if you are under the yellow color, that means you're under the slight risk, which is a level 2 out of 5. If you're under the green color, you're under a level 1 risk, a marginal risk of severe weather. So the risk overall of getting a severe thunderstorm tonight, it's low, but we still can't rule out the chance of winds 40 to 60 miles an hour, small hail, heavy rain, and frequent lightning with the thunderstorms that do arrive. But notice as these storms dive south and arrive to portions of the First Coast across southeast Georgia, some of these storms could actually start to fall apart. That line of storms could break apart. So I'm not expecting a washout. I don't think everyone will see rain. Rain coverage at most, maybe about 40% coverage. But again, those of you who do see a thunderstorm, it could be strong or severe. So I just ask you to stay weather aware, though you don't have to be staying up all night worried about an intense line of storms. It's just these storms overnight, they will be broken, but they could bring that severe risk. And then as we head into our Monday, we have scattered showers and thunderstorms out there in the afternoon and evening hours. So going to the bus stop tomorrow with the kiddos, maybe a stray shower out there in the morning. Temperatures humid and warm in the middle 70s. And then when the kiddos are coming home from school, we are in the 90s with scattered showers and storms around our area. So on Monday, our high will actually reach right near 93 degrees, but feel more like 100 degrees. And then Monday night, we are in for a treat. We have a blue supermoon. So it's a blue moon because it's the third full moon of 4 this season, this summer. It's also a supermoon, which means it will appear bigger and brighter because it's closer to the Earth. We have the moon rising Monday evening, 8:22 p.m., and then it will set Tuesday morning at 7:46 a.m. But we'll also have to watch out because the supermoon is in conjunction with onshore winds, which means our high tide could be around 1 foot above what's normally dry ground. So those of you living on the marsh or on the water, just be aware it could be a bit higher, but we are not expecting any significant flooding impacts from this. Here's a look at your most accurate 7-day forecast. Tuesday a little bit drier, and then temperatures drop down into the 80s starting on Wednesday.
Thank you.